Because domain controllers authenticate all users and computers in the domain, domain controller deployment is critical for the network to function correctly. This lesson examines domain controllers, the sign-in process, and the importance of DNS in that process. In addition, this lesson discusses the purpose of the global catalog. All domain controllers are essentially the same, with two exceptions. RODCs contain a read-only copy of the ADDS database, whereas other domain controllers have a read/write copy. Also, certain operations can be performed only on specific domain controllers called operations masters, which are discussed at the end of this lesson. Objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to describe the purpose of domain controllers, understand what the Sysful folder contains, describe the purpose of the global catalog, describe the ADDS sign-in process, and the importance of DNS and service records, SRV records, in that process. Explain the functions of operations masters. Describe operations master role transfer and seizing. Before you begin, questions. Question. Should a domain controller be a global catalog? Answer. Global catalog placement affects how long a user takes to sign in. Therefore, you must carefully plan how you place global catalogs. In a single domain environment, every domain controller should host the global catalog, because every domain controller already holds a complete copy of the domain. In a multiple domain scenario, you need to consider user sign-in times, program dependencies, the need for high availability of the global catalog, and replication traffic when planning global catalog placement. Question. In a multiple domain forest, a copy of the global catalog should be stored on every domain controller. False. True. Answer. Square root, false. Feedback. In a single domain, you should configure all domain controllers to hold a copy of the global catalog. However, in a multiple domain environment, the infrastructure master should not be a global catalog server unless all the domain controllers in the domain are also global catalog servers.